Kounga, te takiwa nei o kawakawa. O tira ngā taumata angi tū o tēnā o ngā taiahi.
Mean, as we mean. Just seeing all the kura from around Feilding being so active about learning and revitalising te Reo Māori.
I was able to learn more about my culture and why I should embrace it more.
Learn more about your whānau and interacting with them too.
Miharo, being proud of who I am.
I'm very grateful that there are people here to help us pursue this dream, this moemoeā. Kia kore whakamate tēnei reo rangatira.
I learned a lot of new words in Māori.
It was just real good to mix and mingle with other schools that you wouldn't really get along with because they're out of town, we're in town.
Speaking the reo, hearing other people fluently speak it makes me want to also fluently speak it.
Motuhake. Kua tae kaumai ia ki tēnei kaupapa ki te ako i te reo Māori. Ka tika.